Good morning everyone, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative showing you what's in our new mini kit. It's this little mixed media mini here, but it's actually a photopolymer stamp and it is called Positivity. It is our Positivity kit. And let me take you through what is in the kit. So first of all, there is this gorgeous stamp. It's called Positivity. It's great. It's a beautiful wild rose. We have got this sweet little cut apart sheet for all your card sentiments, a laser cut, and a stencil called Flowing Dots. You can of course purchase the fussy cutting die as an add-on to this kit, which cuts out that stamp perfectly. Let's take a look at the projects you can make inside our book. Beautiful card here by Shana, stunning. Two gorgeous cards by Ashley McGregor, and I just thought sunsets. As soon as I saw these cards, I thought sunset cards, love them. Two little cuties by Ashley Freeston. And these gorgeous ones with the gorgeous glitter embossing by Jo Herbert. And look at this layout by Yvette. Sorry if I can get that in. I love these stamps on scrapbooking. There's also going to be some blog posts with these cute little stamps coming up too. Now, it is STAMPtember, so we have something else really exciting. 4 new releases, 4 gorgeous new stamps that our illustrators have drawn. They are fantastic, and I'm going to take you through them right now. Our first one is this cute cherry blossom stamp. Absolutely beautiful. It has the matchy fussy cutting die. I'm going to show you 2 cute little cards here. Isn't that just stunning? Chic Mitchell, and this one I think is Ashley McGregor's. No, Ashley Freeston. Too many Ashleys. This gorgeous little one here is called Beautiful Bird, and it is just that. It's just stunning. Has the matching fussy cutting die, and these are just some of the cute images. So these are larger images, girls, so if you're asking for some large images to colour, these are fantastic. Vicky Jones has joined us as a guest this month too. These are just stunning cards. This one here is our new rose one, which is called Rose Garden. Super cute. Matching fussy cutting die again. Natalie Elphinstone did some beautiful cards with this. This is another one of Natalie's. I love this. It's so bright. I love that effect she did. She's made some videos too, so watch out for those. This cute little one here by Marjune. Absolutely stunning colouring. Our girls have done an amazing job. And I'm super grateful for everybody that ever designs for us. This is our last one. It's called Sending Love. Love this one. And of course, it has the matching fussy cutting die. Some more beautiful colouring by the girls. Aren't they just stunning? And another one here. This one here is by Natalie too, I think. I love the effect of just colouring part of it. So bright and so vibrant. So 4 brand new stamps for STAMPtember. They are selling now and they are limited. So make sure you jump in and grab those. And the cute little mini kit, all available on our website now, shipping from the 20th, available for pre-order today, but we encourage you to go to your local store and purchase these if you can, and so just keep the doors of all the local stores open. Thanks guys, and enjoy your STAMPtember. Bye.